初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Time to clean the whole house.
Time to clean the whole house.
是时候打扫整个房子了。
Time to clean the whole house.
Time to clean the whole house.
I'll start with the living room.
I'll start with the living room.
我将从客厅开始。
I'll start with the living room.
I'll start with the living room.
Can you grab the vacuum cleaner?
Can you grab the vacuum cleaner?
你能拿一下吸尘器吗？
Can you grab the vacuum cleaner?
Can you grab the vacuum cleaner?
The floor looks so dusty today.
The floor looks so dusty today.
今天地板看起来好脏。
The floor looks so dusty today.
The floor looks so dusty today.
Don't forget to wipe the shelves.
Don't forget to wipe the shelves.
别忘了擦架子。
Don't forget to wipe the shelves.
Don't forget to wipe the shelves.
I'll wash the windows later.
I'll wash the windows later.
我稍后会洗窗户。
I'll wash the windows later.
I'll wash the windows later.
This carpet needs some deep cleaning.
This carpet needs some deep cleaning.
这块地毯需要深度清洁。
This carpet needs some deep cleaning.
This carpet needs some deep cleaning.
Let's open the windows for air.
Let's open the windows for air.
我们开窗通风吧。
Let's open the windows for air.
Let's open the windows for air.
Fresh air makes cleaning easier.
Fresh air makes cleaning easier.
新鲜空气让清洁更容易。
Fresh air makes cleaning easier.
Fresh air makes cleaning easier.
I'll organize the books by color.
I'll organize the books by color.
我会按颜色整理书籍。
I'll organize the books by color.
I'll organize the books by color.
These papers are everywhere again.
These papers are everywhere again.
这些文件又到处都是了。
These papers are everywhere again.
These papers are everywhere again.
I should throw away old magazines.
I should throw away old magazines.
我应该扔掉旧杂志。
I should throw away old magazines.
I should throw away old magazines.
Where did I put the cleaning spray?
Where did I put the cleaning spray?
我把清洁喷雾放哪儿了？
Where did I put the cleaning spray?
Where did I put the cleaning spray?
Let's clean under the sofa too.
Let's clean under the sofa too.
我们也打扫沙发下面吧。
Let's clean under the sofa too.
Let's clean under the sofa too.
Wow, look how much dust there is.
Wow, look how much dust there is.
哇，看有多少灰尘。
Wow, look how much dust there is.
Wow, look how much dust there is.
I'll mop the kitchen floor next.
I'll mop the kitchen floor next.
接下来我会拖厨房地板。
I'll mop the kitchen floor next.
I'll mop the kitchen floor next.
Can you wash the dishes, please?
Can you wash the dishes, please?
你能洗一下碗吗？
Can you wash the dishes, please?
Can you wash the dishes, please?
I'll wipe the counter after that.
I'll wipe the counter after that.
之后我会擦柜台。
I'll wipe the counter after that.
I'll wipe the counter after that.
The sink looks shiny and clean now.
The sink looks shiny and clean now.
水槽现在看起来闪亮干净。
The sink looks shiny and clean now.
The sink looks shiny and clean now.
Don't forget to empty the trash.
Don't forget to empty the trash.
别忘了倒垃圾。
Don't forget to empty the trash.
Don't forget to empty the trash.
I'll change the bed sheets later.
I'll change the bed sheets later.
我稍后会换床单。
I'll change the bed sheets later.
I'll change the bed sheets later.
Fresh sheets always feel so nice.
Fresh sheets always feel so nice.
新床单总是感觉很舒服。
Fresh sheets always feel so nice.
Fresh sheets always feel so nice.
The laundry basket is overflowing again.
The laundry basket is overflowing again.
洗衣篮又满了。
The laundry basket is overflowing again.
The laundry basket is overflowing again.
Let's start a load of whites first.
Let's start a load of whites first.
我们先洗一桶白色衣物吧。
Let's start a load of whites first.
Let's start a load of whites first.
I'll hang the clothes outside.
I'll hang the clothes outside.
我会把衣服晾在外面。
I'll hang the clothes outside.
I'll hang the clothes outside.
The sun will dry them fast.
The sun will dry them fast.
太阳会很快晒干它们。
The sun will dry them fast.
The sun will dry them fast.
Can you water the plants too?
Can you water the plants too?
你也能浇一下植物吗？
Can you water the plants too?
Can you water the plants too?
They look a bit thirsty today.
They look a bit thirsty today.
它们今天看起来有点渴。
They look a bit thirsty today.
They look a bit thirsty today.
I'll tidy up the bathroom next.
I'll tidy up the bathroom next.
接下来我会整理浴室。
I'll tidy up the bathroom next.
I'll tidy up the bathroom next.
This mirror needs a quick polish.
This mirror needs a quick polish.
这面镜子需要快速擦亮。
This mirror needs a quick polish.
This mirror needs a quick polish.
The place already feels much cleaner.
The place already feels much cleaner.
这个地方已经感觉干净多了。
The place already feels much cleaner.
The place already feels much cleaner.
Cleaning is tiring but satisfying.
Cleaning is tiring but satisfying.
清洁很累，但很满足。
Cleaning is tiring but satisfying.
Cleaning is tiring but satisfying.
Let's light a candle for freshness.
Let's light a candle for freshness.
我们点支蜡烛，增添清新感吧。
Let's light a candle for freshness.
Let's light a candle for freshness.
The whole house smells so good now.
The whole house smells so good now.
现在整个房子闻起来好香。
The whole house smells so good now.
The whole house smells so good now.
I love this clean and cozy feeling.
I love this clean and cozy feeling.
我喜欢这种干净舒适的感觉。
I love this clean and cozy feeling.
I love this clean and cozy feeling.
Let's make some tea and relax.
Let's make some tea and relax.
我们泡点茶，放松一下吧。
Let's make some tea and relax.
Let's make some tea and relax.
We really did a great job today.
We really did a great job today.
我们今天真的做得很好。
We really did a great job today.
We really did a great job today.
Next time, it'll be much easier.
Next time, it'll be much easier.
下次会容易得多。
Next time, it'll be much easier.
Next time, it'll be much easier.
I'll write a cleaning schedule later.
I'll write a cleaning schedule later.
我稍后会写一个清洁计划。
I'll write a cleaning schedule later.
I'll write a cleaning schedule later.
Finally, time to sit and rest.
Finally, time to sit and rest.
终于，是时候坐下来休息了。
Finally, time to sit and rest.
Finally, time to sit and rest.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。